Morning guys, so here's my new dicer here. So I'm going to take it off this part here. I'll cut along the joint and then cut down that. And that'll do me. I'll maybe curve in the edges just to make it a bit less sharp and stuff. But I'm going to go here and do a quick unboxing on this wee grinder and then get stuck into this. Okay guys, so got 10 metal blades there that didn't come with it. This is going to be a real quick unboxing because I've got to get to work here. Don't really want to cut this metal here as it may be a bit noisy, so I might bring it with me and make it on site. Rather make it here quickly so that I can show you. But if I don't have time to make the video of making this dicer, then for a second I thought it was empty there. Here we are. Wee grinder. Instructions. There's the button up the top. I was hoping it was an actual cover. Put the blades on. So easy enough guys. Pretty normal setup. Would have been nicer for a trigger button, but it'll probably still be okay. It'll do. It's better than trailing the leads about. Look at that guys. We left that on all night. Flip me. I'm surprised it's still going. Must be pretty good batteries in it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to rush on here as I have to get to work here. I'm so running out of time making this wee dicer. Right guys, so about to head to work here now, and this video's just turned into a vlog altogether with a wee unboxed and stuff in it. I'm gonna go in, I'll make the dicer in work, and I'll probably make another one once I get home and do a separate video on that with more detail. But the guy's meant to be coming in to help us. He's got a puncture, so I don't think he's going to be coming in now because he's got a puncture. Yeah, so probably just be doing balance today. Wet dice will be probably tomorrow then. Yeah, fun. So I don't know. Yeah, probably get a lot of balance on. Show you a couple of them before and afters or whatever. This one's ready for the rub. Oh, the beads get knocked off there. Look. Boys bringing stuff down. Get this one done. That window's done, so this whole wall can be done. All done. Spots and joint. So I'll get these ones on, and I'll probably do this. The reason why I don't really like nailing them because it does sometimes damage the scratch coat when you're always going to damage because you're nailing through. These ones were done with buttons. Also, I do genuinely think cutting them to make it a better seal here. I know it's getting coated again, so it will be sealed, but you see, good damage. Not too bad on that one. Not too bad on that one, but you can see buttons, nice and clean buttons. Come off nice and clean on the edge. Maybe that's so clean there. Again, damage, the scratch. Not too bad as you're going over it again. But I could see why some people that don't put waterproofer in the top coat wouldn't want to nail them, they'd rather cut them. Quitting time for now guys. And I'll show you this dicer when I get home. I'll pull up, I'll show you the dicer I just made. End up didn't dice because the wee lad got a puncture, was meant to be helping us, so No dashing done today, but get the dasher made. I'll choose it, I'm going to make another one, and then I'll make another video just showing how I made it, basically. So, back from the drive home, and there it is. That's the slap dasher. It's very, very light. Wee light handle. Basically copied the one that broke on me. Obviously there's a wee hole in it there, but it'll not affect it too much, and screw. But yeah, basically it's just to keep the lightness. Have other dashers that are just very, very heavy. That one's stainless steel, whereas the other one wasn't, so it just rusted away to nothing. And that's why it broke as well. So that probably will last me potentially the rest of my career, basically. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock another one up, maybe two, and make a wee video of it, and I'll do a different video altogether. But yeah, that's this vlog done today. Just lots of bands done, sand cement work, and then I'm gonna go into the house here and start building some sills and get a wee bit more rattle done there. Again, that'll be another video again. But hope you are enjoying these string of videos, guys, and make sure, if you're not subscribed, make sure and be subscribed, otherwise you could miss out.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.